a good score and put the Nepal guys under pressure like normal.
A victory today will ensure that.
So, brilliant innings from Johnson. Charles and West Indies A-team management would be happy and positive.
It's a chance in the final T20. Talk about that later. First ball coming up. Shooting wide. Throw flyer. Throw fielding this time. Should have been stopped. Should have been stopped. Lalit Rajbangshi, the culprit there. Right through his hands. And Nepal's fielding. Yoked him up, but sliced it away. How did he manage to get underneath that ball? He found the gap perfectly well, utilizing the pace of Sompal Kami. Just opened the face of the bat. Pulls it. The very first bowler, Pratish Desi, will give him a wicket. Lack of pace, and Ali Kathanas trying to attack Pratish Desi in the very first ball. And what a start this is for the young man.
A brilliant way to start his over. There's no pace at all in that ball. A shorter length delivery. Well, Athana just trying to go after Pratish. You just see his back.
Lucky this time, not so lucky this time. He was lucky in the previous occasion where he bowled a full toss. Not fortunate this time. Was a poor delivery from Pratish Desi. Oh, this has gone massive. He has deposited this into the stand. And the intent is clear. Johnson, Charles carrying on from where he... A hint of turn as well, but this has gone past Kushal Malla and the ball will win the race. Just poked at it, Andrea Fletcher this time. No slip. Lalit is getting some turn off the track. So Pratish Desi continues. Again a cutter onto the pitch. All Fletcher had to do was find the gap because that ball was a rank loose delivery. Slapped. Johnson, Charles look unconventional at times, but he's mighty effective. He's very powerful. He's pitched up by Sompal Kami. And Booms now comes round the wicket. Catch it is the call. The fielder underneath it and drops it. Oh, this is drama. Sompal Kami cannot believe it. It's so Sandeep Zora who taken stumps. Walks across and finds the gap this time. Chased by two fielders there, but eventually the ball will win the race. Avinash and Pratish thought they could drag the ball back in. Oh, this is gone. Huge. Massive hit this. Gave the ball a lot of air this time, Lalit.
Shot ko saath West
It was
Indies
slighted. It was an overpitch delivery as well, and that brings 50 for West Indies, and this went miles up. He's targeting the pads. Has he got enough this time? Yes, he has. In fact, a massive hit again. Second six of the over. 16 runs coming off it. 2 sixes and a boundary. And Johnson is already on.
Once again, just dissecting between the two fielders, staying in the back foot. Just opening his front foot, making that room for himself to play that shot.
I feel, Ayush, that was more of a desperate shot because the last 2 overs has been very quiet. And Johnson, we all know, he wants runs. So Gulshan's first over. Now, bowling slower ones becomes too predictable if you bowl them too often. That is the reason I said he needs to bowl those quicker deliveries as well. Remember, he's a fast bowler.
It looks like you're just trying to test Johnson Charles, but the bottom hand just... Once again, fuller length delivery, and the story is same. You cannot ball in his arc.
anything in the range is reach. And now that's brilliant fielding. Oh, sorry, that missed. It went for a boundary.
Well, it happens.
I'm sorry.
It happens because
Yeah.
you just saw Deepan
Standing between each other. Now that's gone big. That's can't see it from here. What's happening?
Well, the dangerous man Johnson Charles has to depart. He was trying to go after Kushal Bhurtel. Completely foxed by the pace. Slowed through this air. Well, you would call this an unorthodox genius from Fletcher.
You know, this has been again, that's gone for a boundary. This has been a problem with our medium pacers. We are getting too predictable.
This time just trying to create that angle. The ball will reach the fence.
It was drifting down the leg side.
What's up in there? Rohit Paudel underneath it and gets it. KC Karthi has been dismissed by Kushal Bhurtel, and how good an all-rounder is Kushal Bhurtel turning into. He gave that flighted delivery, tempted KC Karthi, went after Kushal Bhurtel. And this is another important wicket. Fletcher still there. Slower one has gone after it. How far has he gone is the question. Far enough, in fact more than enough. Avinash Bora's tight over has been disturbed by this massive six off.
We knew the last time we played on this wicket was a bit slow. It was turning.
That nearly came into the commentary box. That was hit very straight. Again Fabian Allen made to wait for a long. He goes after it again, hits it straight again. The result is the same. In fact, this is a bigger one. Oh boy, these West Indian batters can hit them big.
With that six, it's 100.
2 sixes in 2 balls.
So I feel sorry for the bowlers at times.
You feel sorry for the bowlers. You feel sorry for Lalit Rajbangshi, who just conceded the third six in this over. Wasn't a good delivery at all. Was a full toss really. Now the pressure slowly creeping up on Lalit Rajbangshi. He's much better this. This is what Avinash mentioned. It was getting so very predictable. The line was clear. CC now. Avinash, tell us who has impressed you.
We expected a good showing from Karan, your opening bowler, because we faced him in the World Cup qualifiers previously and we were very impressed by him. So I think he's one of your talents as well.
Second six of the over. The biggest of them all, I reckon. And Pratis CC again, that length not helping him at all. Fletcher is bowled by Pratis CC to end the 20th over.
Fantastic, yeah, that's a great final ball there. Any bowler would be proud of that final couple.
Partnership between Andrea Fletcher and Johnson again was out for only 2 runs. A ball him. Inside is onto the stump. Disastrous start this for Nepal. Asif Sheikh will have to walk back to the dugout. Gone for a duck in the second delivery itself. Was stuck in the crease. Just a bit of movement. Pulls it. Taking the complete advantage of the power play overs for Nepal's cause of chasing this target. Slap back. This is a shot of a man in form, and Nepali skipper punishing Ford for being a touch short. Wasn't that bad a delivery. Shot again. Predicted this really well, Rohit Paudel, this time, and the result will be better. 4 of the previous balls, 6 of this. How good a touch, Rohit. He's looking to go after the bowler. Another boundary to Nepali captain's name. He's expecting McCoy to bowl straight at him. Give himself 24 wickets. Bowled him. And Kushal Bhurtel and his out of form run doesn't seem to end at all. This has been the leanest patch of his career. As I said, loves playing that shot. This time much straighter, not towards the mid-wicket area, but the boundary for Kushal Malla. In the second ball he's faced. If there's anything... Straight up, this is miscued. How many times have we seen the same story repeat? Kushal Malla comes in, plays a big shot or two, and then plays a bad shot. This was a wild hit. Tried to attack Fabian Allen, and Fabian Allen has picked up his second wicket himself. That's the confidence he's in. Despite the wickets falling regularly at the other end, he's not scared to play his shots, Rohit Paudel. Gurukes Moti bowling at full.
The ballers, that's not taking some time. Rohit is looking in good form. Brilliantly swept this time.
Another boundary. Another boundary. 2 in 2 for Rohit. He's in with some intent. Not boggled down at all by the pressure. Oh, inside out this time. Shot of the innings so far. Beautiful. A proper cricketing stroke this. Goes with the turn. Over the fielder at extra. This is lucky runs. Will go for a boundary. Edged. And Gurukes Moti concedes yet another boundary, this time not conventional at all. Sandeep and Rohit at the centre. Plays this uppishly. And how good a shot is this? Didn't try to overhit it. But just the length and the line of delivery so well and timed the ball perfectly.
We played it too early, and that's why it went up in the air.
And this time Sandeep Zohra has been held out. Almost a similar delivery, but this one was a googly. Didn't get the ball to get onto the middle of his bat at all, Sandeep Zohra. And just as it looked that Nepal are slowly developing a part, he will continue his bowling with the marks on. The sound of the bat was not that convincing, but Rohit Paudel has got this 6 and has got to his 50 as well. 53 of 34. Third time in this series Rohit Paudel has gone. That's exactly what Manish was talking about. Clean striking this from Nepal captain. The crowd slowly getting back into excitement as runs in 3 overs he's bowled. Oh, Rohit Paudel. Rohit Paudel, you beauty. Smashes one again over the square leg boundary for a 6. Just over the fielder there. The reason the crowd are excited is because Dipender Singh ID now joins in the party as well. They need 13 and over. They've already got 13 and over off the first 4 balls of this 13th over. 96 required of 44. Nowhere near. Rohit Paudel has played an unbelievable shot. We'll have to wait for the umpire's signal. In fact, it's a bye. Pulls this one. Does he have enough? He's found the gap rather. Boundary for Rohit Paudel, moves on to 82. He's made batting look so easy, Rohit Paudel. He's up in the air, anti-climax here. There's pin drop silence in the ground because Rohit Paudel has hit one straight up and has been dismissed for 82 runs of 46 balls. This is a tremendous innings from the Nepal skipper.
That's a brilliant inning by.
Reverse hit this by Gulshan, and guess what? He's connected it. In fact, he's connected this one so well.
Cross-seam delivery to start off with. Brilliant delivery and driven fine by Dipendra Singh Airi. 78 runs required
Against the short deliveries, Gulshan. Thomas field there. Bonus boundary here for Nepal. Should have been only one. McCoy has started his over. A brilliant slow delivery. Oh, he's dropped it! How can someone drop a catch like this? This is one of the easiest catches dropped that I've ever seen. Edged was a slow delivery, the fielder getting under it and easily taken. Nepal's dream of coming back into the series looks very slim here. Dipendra Singh Airi is the 6th wicket dismissed. That's a short arm jab. 8th gone for Nepal. Pratik Sisi tried to smash it out of the ground.
That's 8 wicket.
But the connection not there at all. Was a short of cards. Fighter. Avinash Bora gets one out of the screws. 4 runs to him. And as I said, too little too late. Gurakis Moti has conceded.
If you consider the last 3 games, they have outplayed Nepal in all the 3 dimensions. Avinash Bohra is enjoying out there in the middle.
Avinash Bora telling the top of the batters, acclimatized in no time. Down the track against Sompal Kami, gets the second 6 of this innings.
Past couple of
Sanjay
series
Gurum
they have
signals
played
6.
at home, including one
29
against
required of 2.
Australia,
The crowd still have some
leading into this
excitement
India
in them.
series. All sides,
Down the track
and
again, yoked
both the
himself up.
batters and bowlers will have to contend with the
Straight to the fielder, and
overcast
Sompal Kami
conditions.
has been dismissed.
Bangladesh have opted for one change in their playing 11.
In the penultimate
Shorika
ball
Hassan.
of the innings, Sompal Kami walks back. Nepal lose their 9.
Has outplayed Nepal.
Head out.
Dot delivery and gone
Ali
upstairs.
Arman and
181 is what
enjoy a
Nepal
good
managed
game
in
of
West
cricket.
Indies.